I'm Heather from SGI's media team, joined by Jeremy from the same team for another Minute Maintenance Challenge. Jeremy, ready for today's task?
You betcha.
Okay, Jeremy, today's challenge is to make sure you're ready when the snow flies.
Yeah, you're right. This one is really easy. And in fact, I've already done it once this week because we got some early snow here. But I'm going to show you guys what I did and what to do again. What we're going to want to do is get a shovel or a broom out so we can clean off our driveway and our sidewalks so that we can walk around. We're also going to want to get some ice melt or some sand ready. So if we have some ice, we can clean that up so our friends or the mailman don't slip when they come to visit us. Now is a good time to look for that stuff before the ice comes so you're not trying to fight with everyone else at the hardware store for some ice melt when you need it to be. So I'm gonna go grab that and show you guys how easy it is to get that ready. Here we go. And it's as easy as that. Put your shovel and your ice melt somewhere where you're gonna be able to reach it and get to it if there's a lot of snow around, and you'll be ready for any of the snow and ice that comes in these cold Canadian winters. That's it.
Looks like you're ready for the snow to fly. Another Minute Maintenance Challenge complete. Thanks, Jeremy.